Let's turn around and say goodbye to my friend. Bye-bye, bye-bye. We will never see them again. Bye-bye. Hello, welcome you on board the world-famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Bon. I'm a skipper today. For your own safety, please remain seated for the trip. All your hands and arms, elbows stay inside my boat. And this is waterized so you may get wet. Please take care of your electronic equipment and watch your children. Okay, before we start our journey, you need to fasten your seatbelt first. The seatbelt should be under the seat. Fasten the seatbelt. Seatbelt fasten. Yeah, there's no seatbelt on my boat. Just kidding. No need to find it. Okay, let's see your left-hand side. Do you see anything? The left-hand side? Yeah, there's nothing interesting to see on the left-hand side. Okay, let's see your right-hand side. Do you know what is this? What is that? It's a tree house. It's a Tarzan tree house because Tarzan going to travel a long time and then they come back. If they come back next time, you can take a raft go over there, but don't try swim over there because there are many crocodiles under the river waiting for you. Now we're on the longest river in the world, at least 4,000 meters. My new instructor just spent 3 days. 3 days can finish this journey. Let's see who's waiting for us in the front. Do you know what is this? What is that? Elephant, yes, it's the mother and the baby elephant. His mother teach your little one how to use tongue. Oh, look how so cute is it. Let's say hello to the baby elephant. Hello! There's something you don't want to see every day. A brother elephant taking a shower. I think you're underwater too long. Look, his skin is so windy in there. And be careful, it's heavy water right now. Be careful. In the front, we have the father elephant waiting for us. Oh, looks like one aiming on us. Are you guys ready to get wet? Ready to get wet? No! Yes? Okay, let's get wet together. Let's count down on 3, 2, 1. And just kidding. Haha, got you guys. Oh no, we go to the wrong way. I've never been this way before, but let's take a chance to look. Wow, do you see that? What is that? What is this? Spider, big spider, right? 1, 2, 3. You know they can jump over 20 feet, but boats just only around 10 feet. What's on the right hand side? Hey, please don't touch them. Be careful. On the left side, elephant guard and those pink cobras is preventing that. Those two snakes are so poisonous in this jungle. Well, there's one more on your left hand side. Be careful. Actually, everything you see is really want to bite you. Okay, let's move on. Now we out of danger. Let's visit those crocodiles. Do you see them? You see the crocodiles? Yeah? Please don't wake them up. You know we call them crocodiles, but they call us dinner, breakfast, lunch, and snacks. Let's move on. Albert has a scientist canvas. My friend Dr. Shed also right there. Where's the scientist? Oh no, they have an exact company right there. They're holding a gun right now. What are they shooting? Hey, please don't shoot us, please don't shoot us. Ooh. Luckily they don't shoot us. If they shoot us, we will swim, go back to the dock. Welcome to my favorite place, African safari, zebra, giraffe, and the African elephant right here. Do you know what is the tallest thing in this jungle? Giraffe. It's not giraffe. Why is giraffe? It's the tree. The tree is taller than giraffe. Giraffe is too short in this jungle. And you see the left-hand side is the man zebra and the female zebra in the right-hand side. Do you know why the female zebra in the right-hand side? Yeah, because the woman always is right. Do you agree with that? Yeah. And this is the second most feared elephant in this jungle. Sorry about that. Ooh, there's one more. His wife. Be careful. Sorry about that, you. Let's move on. Wow, there's so many bubbles under the river. We are entering the pool of danger of hippos that have 6,000 pounds of creatures. They can bite our pool very easily. And be careful for the right hand side is coming out. Whoa! Wow, there's one more. Your left hand side is coming out. Wow! Their mouth is so stained, they need to brush your teeth every day. Hey, you guys so brave. This is my last scientist in my boat and they saw those hippos, they jump out. Now the rhino is caught his butt. And the second one wear the green t-shirt with the backpack is my friend Dr. Shed. Hey Dr. Shed, what are you doing here? Well, I'm so busy right now. Should we rescue them? Anyone want to save them? You want to save my friend? No one want to save them? Really? You guys don't want to save them? Okay, let's say goodbye to them. Bye bye! Maybe next one we'll save you guys. Bye bye! Oh wow, there's so many stores right there. We are entering the Headhunter village. I think they're not home right now. So be quiet, we go inside now. We can also smell the meat. Bring it again. No one get hurt? No? No one fall to the river? No? Anyone lost your head? Your head still here? Still here? Still here? Oh, sounds great. Here's so dangerous here. We have some good news. In the front is our dog. Now we're ready. Go back to the dog. Please remain seated. Okay, just straight ahead. We can go back to the dog. Nothing can stop us now. Yay! We are safe now. We can go back to the dog. Oh wait, hold on. Whoa! Turn right. Wow! I think we go to the wrong way. Whoa! I've never been this big before. It's so creepy in here. Oh, there's a remote in the front. Try fall back. Oh no! Now we're stuck in forbidden frame. My God, between the water gun and the fire gun in here. Wow, look at the fire gun noise turning right now. Ooh. He is so angry. Oh, fire is getting over and getting so bad. Now we're coming from the first wall. Water gun, water gun. It's so coming. It's so smoky in here, you cannot see anything, but we are safe now. Let's go back to the dog. Wow, do you hear a sign in the front? Guess who's coming for us? Oh, it's a baby elephant. Hey, come here, say goodbye with us. Let's say goodbye to the baby elephant, and he is very cute. Bye bye. Okay, before we go back to the dog, remember all your hands and arm, elbows stay inside the boat, please. Please remain seated until the boat comes. Please stop, elbows and arms stay inside the boat. Okay, now we're ready to go back to the dog. Please remain seated. Do you know what is this? Actually, this is my window. After we go back to the dog, please don't climb my window. If you climb my window, I will throw you back to the jungle and eat banana forever. If you like this journey, please remember my name is Spawn. If you don't like it, my name will be James. Okay, please give me a few more seconds to stop my boat around 3, 2, 1, and finally 0. Okay, my boat stopped completely. It's time to say goodbye, my friend. Bye bye. Thank you guys for us. You guys so brave. See you next time. Bye bye. Watch your step, mind your head when you lift my boat. Bye bye. Enjoy your day in Hong Kong, Disneyland. Bye bye. Bye bye, Anna. Bye bye.